Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread pancakes with Jiffy mix. Start by gathering 1 box Jiffy, 1 egg, 1 cup milk, and a tablespoon of oil. Whisk until smooth and rest batter briefly. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium, add a little butter, and pour batter in 3 5-inch rounds. Cook until edges set and flip once. Serve warm with syrup or savory toppings. Combine ingredients gently to avoid tough pancakes. Start with 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 box of Jiffy mix. Stir until most lumps disappear, then let the batter rest for 5 minutes to hydrate the cornmeal. Resting yields fluffier pancakes and a better rise when they hit the hot skillet. If batter thickens too much, add a splash of milk to reach a pourable consistency. Use a well-heated skillet set to medium for even cooking. Lightly grease the pan and pour 3 5-inch rounds to control portion size. Wait for bubbles across the surface and slightly firm edges before flipping to prevent tearing. Flip only once to keep them fluffy and avoid pressing down. If making a large batch, maintain warmth in a low oven to keep texture consistent and serve them fresh and hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.